your mind.
Let's make reading
a lifestyle of wawasan. Mari kawan, kita membaca. Mari gunakan timba ilmu dengan membaca. Inilah perjuangan, sambutlah seruan.
jadikan
Membaca daya wawasan. Everybody take a book and read to gain knowledge. Everyone has to read. Let's read